YouTube is on easy mode. Are you guys not seeing it? Or is it just me? When I log into YouTube, on my homepage, my feed, what I see is big YouTubers, top creators, small creators, all affirming this, that YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is promoting small content creators. YouTube is promoting small channels. And I even saw a video with an evidence by part of the CEOs, not the CEOs, but a group of people who do the behind the scene technical part of YouTubing, part of YouTube staff, pardon me, who also said that he have a team who look at small channels and try to promote small channels. So if we have all this evidence, what are we waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm not waiting. I'm not slowing down. That is why I'm here, promoting my content, using what God has put within me to serve. What's your story? What's your experience? What's your gift? What's your talent? What do you have to say? Use your voice to serve the Lord, to serve others, to add value, because they won't promote trash content. They will promote content adding value to people. So what value can you add to someone's life today? What do you have within you that you think others will benefit from? What have you experienced that when you share your experience, other people will learn from you? Is it marital experience, motherhood? Is it your career? Or is it a skill you've learned that you want to share with the world? Is it your cooking skill, music skills? There are many things you can do on YouTube. Or is it your voice? Are you a motivational speaker? You just love to motivate people and make them fired up, give them energy and good vibes. Whatever it is, you know what you can do best. Nobody knows you better than you do, except the creator up there. So if he has put that desire in you to start a YouTube channel, and you've been thinking about it, you've been planning, you've been saying one day, you've been procrastinating, this is me now telling you, stop procrastinating, stop doubting yourself, stop living in fear. I can do it, you can do it. I didn't always used to be like this. I used to be very shy. If you check my first two videos, they're more of voiceovers over a vlog, because I told myself, oh, I can't put my face out there. How would I sit in front of a camera and talk? I'd rather just vlog my day or an activity, or vlog myself doing something that I'll do a voiceover. I tried it for my first two videos. Not like I can't keep doing it, but it was a bit stressful for me, because holding my phone, setting up the camera every time I'm doing something, it even distracts me, because when I'm doing like house chores, I love to listen to music, I love to listen to motivational videos or audios, and when I can't do that, I have to now use my phone to record. There was just this imbalance, and I told myself, what is stopping me? What is stopping you too? You have a voice, use it. You have a voice, use it. The devil will put fear within you. The devil doesn't want you to stand. He doesn't want you to rise above yourself. He doesn't want you to rise above your limitations. He doesn't want you to leave your comfort zone, but God made you for more. So if YouTube is monetizing small content creators and small channels, and we're hearing that YouTube is on easy mode in 2025, what is stopping you? What are you waiting for? Don't wait any longer. Do something. Have a definite plan. Put time limits to your goals and start when you need to start. Don't procrastinate. Don't go back to your default mode after watching this video. Don't go back to your default mode after learning, because sometimes it's easy to go back to who you used to be. And if where you are is not where you want to be, then write down your steps to take you to where you want to be or who you would love to be. And just start making baby steps, because that is what God will bless. You make a step, you pray about it, and see what God can do. But you can't fold your arms and do nothing and watch others doing something and expect a difference or expect success. You can't watch others striving and trying. You can't watch other small creators saying YouTube is on easy mode, or YouTube is promoting small channels, and they are trying, they are putting videos. Some are doing a video a day, 2 per week, 1 per week. And you're there still saying, I will. When will you? So I'm here trying to tell you to please start. It might not be easy. Yes, there's something called camera fright or stage fright, because we're not on the stage. I'll say camera fright, fear of public speaking. Yes, it's real. But with God, you can overcome, because he didn't give us a spirit of fear, but sound mind. So when fear creeps in, chase it out with the word of God. Tell yourself you can do it. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. So why should you allow the devil? Who is the devil? God is greater. So stand on the word of God that will never pass away. Hold on to it and just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. You push and you pray. You push and you pray. Then just one day, that dream version of you comes to life. You will thank God that you put in the work. So start putting in the work now. Don't let 2025 go to waste. And now that you're hearing all this, easy mode YouTube, small channels being monetized within 30 days, within 7 days, within 2 weeks, it might be you, it might be me. I pray it is me. I want it to be me. I want it to be me. And I also want to inspire people, because it's what I love to do. I want to add value to people. Then Christians, I want us to be stronger in our faith, because this life, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but principalities and power. There are powers that want to bring you down. But once you say, God, I'm for you, you should be for him for life. You should grow as a Christian, as a content creator, as a YouTuber, as a good human. Add value, do something. So I will end this video by saying, YouTube is on easy mode. I'm seeing it popping on my field. YouTube is monetizing small content creators, small channels. It might be you, it might be me. I pray it's me, I pray it's you, but start now to do something. This is me doing something. Subscribe to my channel and let's grow together, because I will keep motivating you, and I trust that you will also motivate yourself and take actionable steps. See you in my next video. I wish you the best in your content creation, in your YouTube channel. Bye.